Hello and namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting and low maintenance indoor plant called the snake plant. This plant is interesting because of its name. It is also known as mother-in-law tongue plant. Interesting, right? It has multiple advantages. First, it is a air purifier. Second, it is a mosquito repellent, that is, it doesn't allow mosquitoes to come in and around it. Third, it emits oxygen during the night time where other plants emit carbon dioxide during the night time. All the 3 points makes it a wonderful option to make it as a bedroom plant. The fourth advantage is that it can thrive well in the low-lit areas. By low-lit areas, I mean the areas which are dark during the daytime in the absence of any electrical appliances like tube light or bulb on. The fifth advantage is that it is not easily infected by the insects. Hence, it doesn't need pesticides more often, making it as a low maintenance plant. The sixth advantage is that this plant can be multiplied through its cutting. Hence, it's a one-time investment. Or if you get a cutting, then there's no investment in this plant. The seventh and most important advantage is that this plant, even if you forget to water it for around a month, it will still survive. This plant needs to be watered every 15 days. Lot of advantages, right? Now, but there are certain heads up also which I will like to give. The first heads up, as the name suggests, is a poisonous plant. Hence, it should not be eaten up in any form by the kids or by the humans or by the pets. If it is eaten, then it can result into vomiting and also into the health conditions. The second heads up, which is more of a superstition, that some people consider it that it is not a lucky plant. However, as per the searches available on the internet, as per Feng Shui, this plant has the positive energies to fight with the negative energies. Lot of information, right? I hope this information is helpful to you in some way. And if you're planning to decide on which plant you want to get home, then I will strongly recommend that snake plant is a wonderful and great investment, especially to the people who are careless, forgetful like me, and do not have much time to invest, but also want to make their homes clean and beautiful, and want to have a green companionship. Thanks for watching Good Vibes Only with Pragya. Until the next video, stay happy and take care of yourself. Bye bye.